Electric pool cleaner. Suitable for swimming pool, paddling pool and spa till 3 meters water. Efficient, easy to remove debris, leaves, sand, stones, even steel balls. Suction comes from lithium battery, without the use of hoses or electrical cords. Quick to install, no tools needed. Efficient to clean the corner and the ladder. Coordinate with comfortable portable handle or telescopic pole. Flexible switching. Underside wheels for easy gliding.